GDP Toys Module Company Limited is a manufacturer and exporter established at Guangzhou City, Guangdong in 2016, which is mainly for the production of gift and toys mechanism products. The major products we have are animal sound box, baby doll sound box, LED music box, lullaby sound box, e-pacifier, stethoscope, LED milk bottle, COB, PCBA with simple press, magnet trigger, light trigger, sound trigger, infrared trigger, and more trigger way that you need for plush toys, plush dolls, plastic toys, and playset toys like kitchen toys, tool toys, etc. Our main markets are US, Europe, South America, Australia, etc., while we can provide OEM, ODM service to our customers. In order to fulfill the international safety standards and requirements, our products are CE, GS, UL, UK, and CSA certified, and they also strictly comply with the requirement of RoHS. We are committed to product development and technology improvement. Keep upgrading product competitiveness to meet customer requirement. We aim to provide the best quality and timely delivery to our valuable customers. As usual, we will keep enhancing our management and improving our products and services in order to satisfy every customer requirement. Your request, our mission. OEM and ODM are welcome. We have the following equipment: Samsung chip mounter, Yama bonding machine, automatic optical inspection machine, JT lead-free hot air reflow soldering, Gangyang reflow welding, fully automatic solder paste printer, etc.